We're here at 214 Dryden Road to take a look at this large 3-floor house right here in the center of Collegetown. The entrance is on the side of the house. We're on Dryden Road. We're gonna go on in and get into the house and take a look at the first floor. We'll be doing the video for this house in 3 parts because we do have 3 floors here. We're going into the house right here. So the entrance is here. We have a key tag that unlocks the door, and let's go on in. So here's the first floor. We've entered into the house. You can see there's the stairs up to floor 2. We've got bedrooms. So this floor has bedrooms, a living room, 2 bathrooms, and a kitchen. So let's start over here with room number 1 that's on the right. So as we come into this room, for all the bedrooms, every single room here is different. You want to take a look at the windows and the closets. They're all a little different in each room and the sizes. This is one of the larger rooms. We've got 2 windows, so it's nice and bright. You can see over here, the rooms will always be furnished with a bed, a dresser, a desk and chair, and a bookshelf. On this floor, I'd say maybe about half the rooms have a closet that does not have a door, so it's an open concept closet. You are certainly welcome to put some sort of rod across to cover your clothes if you like. So this is room number 1, a large room here on the first floor. We're gonna go directly across the hall to room 2. So room 2 is across from us. This is more of a medium-sized room, but we've got, again, 2 huge windows. One's facing east, one's facing south, so it's definitely a nice bright room. There's to the east, looking up Dryden Road. Here's to the south. That's a Brazano Center across the street from us, and that is Linden Ave. Looking down, and again, we are on Dryden Road, right here in the center of Collegetown. So a good medium-sized room. Lots of space in here and another open closet. Okay, let's go across to the next rooms. All of the bedroom doors will have their own deadbolt lock on them. You'll have your own key to every room, and you'll have the tag to get into the main entrance. This is room number 3. This is one of the smaller rooms. As we come into room 3, this one does have a door on the closet. So, and we've got 1 window over here, kind of a little nook over there. This one has a built-in bookshelf. Again, a closet with a door, regular size closet with a door. And that is room 3. There's a non-functioning door between room 3 and room 4. It does not open. And we're going around to room 4. Room 4 is a corner room on the front. And we've got 1, 2, 3 windows. So another really bright room. So especially bright with 3 windows facing south and west. So Dryden Road, we're on the Dryden Road side. And you can see Collegetown Court out this way a little bit. Over here, a nice little built-in shelf over here. Great windows, so great light. So you kind of have to decide in the rooms here, what's your priority? A little bit of light, closet, floor, room layout. All the rooms are different. No rooms are exactly the same. This is another one with a door. And let's go around and take a look at the next space, which is the common space, one of the living rooms on this floor. So then over here we have a common room, a living room. So we've got a dining table in here, 3 windows again. I like the flooring in here. And then over here we'll have one of the bathrooms on this floor. So this floor, floor number 1, does have 2 bathrooms. So we've got a full tub shower in here, plus you have your vanity and the toilet and another window, so it's bright. So this is the living space on the first floor. You'll see the living space on the second floor in that second floor video. So make sure you watch all 3 videos for the house. We're going back to the kitchen on the first floor. There are 2 kitchens. There's one on the first floor right here. There's also one on the second floor. This is a renovated kitchen, so everything is new in here. We have a really nice set of gray cabinets, new countertop, new appliances. There's the stove and oven. There is a dishwasher There's the sink and a sprayer and a nice big refrigerator. So new kitchen here on floor number 1. We've done some upgrades to this bathroom as well. It has a new vanity and a new shower. Let's go take a look at that. This is the second bathroom on the first floor. So as we come in, you can see the vanity is over here. The towel rack, and we have another standing shower in here. Okay, so that's your second bathroom on the first floor. This house has 2 bathrooms on this first floor, 1 on the second floor, 1 on the third floor. We have 1 more bedroom here on this floor. This is room number 6. This room has been updated. For a long time it had paneling on the walls, and now it is all white. So it looks so much brighter and more open. It's got a great feeling. It's a little more separated from the rest of the house. It's behind the kitchen. So this is a great room for somebody in your group that wants to be part of your group, but maybe separated off a little bit from where everybody else is in the house. Oh, and this is another one with a door to the closet. Oh, you can see some of the old paneling in there. That's what the whole room used to look like. Now it's just in the closet. So that's a look at the first floor here at 214 Dryden Road. You want to take a look at the other videos for the other floors to see what they look like. And here's the kitchen one more time. 214 Dryden Road, floor number 1.